كلمة attempt 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 وتعني محاولة. For example, the attempt to climb the mountain was very dangerous. The attempt to climb the mountain was very dangerous. His attempt to solve the problem failed. His attempt to solve the problem failed. The team's attempt to win the championship was inspiring. The team's attempt to win the championship was inspiring. كلمة attend 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 وتعني أن يحضر. For example, many people attended the opening ceremony. Many people attended the opening ceremony. I can't attend school tomorrow. I can't attend school tomorrow. He couldn't attend the meeting. He couldn't attend the meeting. كلمة attention 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 وتعني الانتباه. For example, we need to bring more attention to this matter. We need to bring more attention to this matter. His speech captured everyone's attention. His speech captured everyone's attention. Children need a lot of attention. Children need a lot of attention. كلمة attitude 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 وتعني سلوك أو تصرف أو موقف. For example, I like your positive attitude. I like your positive attitude. I don't like your attitude toward me. I don't like your attitude toward me. You have to change your attitude. You have to change your attitude. كلمة attorney 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 وتعني محامي. For example, the attorney will defend him in court. The attorney will defend him in court. The attorney filed a lawsuit. The attorney filed a lawsuit. He is a good attorney. He is a good attorney. كلمة attract 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 وتعني أن يجذب. For example, good service attracts customers. Good service attracts customers. Flowers attract bees. Flowers attract bees. Bright colors attract attention. Bright colors attract attention. كلمة attraction 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 وتعني الجاذبية أو معلم. For example, the attraction of the city is in its tourist attractions. The attraction of the city is in its tourist attractions. The attraction of the desert is in its vastness. The attraction of the desert is in its vastness. The attraction of the mountains is their beauty. The attraction of the mountains is their beauty. كلمة attractive 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 وتعني جذاب. For example, the flowers look very attractive in spring. The flowers look very attractive in spring. The city is very attractive to tourists. The city is very attractive to tourists. The company provides attractive benefits to employees. The company provides attractive benefits to employees. كلمة audience 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 وتعني الجمهور. For example, the audience clapped loudly after the performance. The audience clapped loudly after the performance. The audience was diverse, including people of all ages. The audience was diverse, including people of all ages. She received a standing ovation from the audience. She received a standing ovation from the audience. كلمة ant ant ant. For example, she went shopping with her aunt. She went shopping with her aunt. Her aunt lives in a small village. Her aunt lives in a small village. She stayed with her aunt for a week. She stayed with her aunt for a week.